Hey there, welcome to Just Ask Berleaf. I'm Berwin Leong, the educational coach from Berleaf Education. This is a walkthrough on how you can leverage on our channel's content to learn better and faster. Before I get started, I would like to invite you to hit that subscribe button and join our Telegram chat by hitting on the link found in the description right below. By doing so, you will be updated with our latest content, coaching sessions, workshops, and courses. You can also find us on our social media on Instagram and TikTok. Without further ado, let me get started with this tour. Check out the essentials for a comprehensive playlist of videos that covers progressively from fundamental to advanced mathematical concepts. They have been categorized according to levels of study. Do click on the one that is relevant to you. If you would like to learn or recap on a specific concept, then you would like to check out our 1 Minute to Ace series, where you can do so through our short videos and all it takes is 1 minute of your time. Be challenged by questions with varying difficulties in our Challenger series time trial. This is targeted to help you identify areas for improvement, how to better manage time and stress that is crucial in examination. Having difficulties with questions from the Challenger series? Fret not, we are here with you. Check out our series of tutorials in Solved, where we will cover with you the methods and techniques in which you can solve the questions that we have posted up in our Challenger series. If you are looking for inspirations and practices that can help you improve yourself, check out our Be Motivated playlist, where you will find quotes and practices that can help you be a better version of yourself daily. And that's all I have for now. I hope it has been helpful. If you enjoy any of our content, please share it with your friends on social media or through text. Be sure to check out more of our episodes on our channel as well as at our homepage at www.berwinleong.com. You can also find details on workshop, courses, and coaching sessions on my homepage. Meanwhile, take care and I'll see you soon. Ciao.